We are seeing the word has entered the church. The church has gone back to the word. What am I saying? You are banking in First Bank. First Bank carry billions. Go give federal government. UBA carry billions. Go give federal government. Jada Bank carry billions. Go give federal government. And we that are banking with you people. Oh! You could not give us 5,000. You are giving it to government. Where are all the money that they took from Abacha? Where are all the money that crime was recovered? Where are all the money that EFCC recovered? Behave. And tomorrow you will tell me to come and put my money in your stupid bank. May God punish you and your GM. Yes, sir. Any Nigeria that will go and give federal government money, go and collect it. Go and collect it. We not send you. Now you're good, now go kill you. I go on my knee to pray. If you carry money, go give government. May they take people from Nigeria. That your good night go kill you. That your company go close. You have a tie up and say, this is my get way back. What are them with daddy? But people, as you can see, that is the situation in Nigeria today. And this pastor, I don't know him. We are going to talk about him later. Imagine the government are not doing, those state government are nowhere to be found. You know what? Let's hold that for now. Let us share this video. And myself, I'm going to share. By the power of God, we will overcome all this coronavirus pandemic that is going around the whole world. And we thank God that we have someone like Pastor Osagie Ize-Iyamu, who we cannot count on, that will help and give hope to those who have no hope. Thank you. Let's share this video.
Comrades, ìrànà mi ò lórí ẹ̀dẹ́gbẹ́. Unyi mẹ́sìn unyi wẹ́wẹ́ bóyá fẹ́fẹ́fẹ́. Bàbá ẹ fi òbọ̀ wòrí ẹ̀ o, àwọn àtàlẹ́ lọ ẹ̀hìn. Ebi èsì nù wú ni bàbá wa wọ ẹ̀hìn ẹ fi òbọ̀ wòrí ẹ̀. Wà ó miẹ̀yà o, ọmọ mi ò miẹ̀yà o, òwẹ́ sí bàbá. we are there where I got you. Where they even have the dinner. I can't go away. I want him about it. And I know you don't know the other. Who about you? What's he allowed? Say the FBA. People freedom movement. Secret member here. Why am I with the Tony? Oh, well, I'm on the state. Oh, but you only want to go. Wait, you listen to Tiger. Yeah, Kataka one. Oh, to Lepa. But I know me all of the other. Oh, no, my Ama okudia, iye ama Polonia. Atoli. Wale pao, edeneberio. Eni sona besu. Awe mo so. Iyo me bulo yese. Wapa se ki izene. When I told you where they go back here, Una Yagamio, Uno Maki, and Obigo, Irana, Oyo Korean, Elkere, where was the Pebble? Okay, my father, North Africa, Pembe, Orlando, Mario, America, we are here. But I know you are not there. Oh, no, Matthew, you're from a wedding. You know, see the one any. Ladu, I went here. Ladu, as you go with you. Here, before we don't move late. Here, the FM, the other. Secret member. Oh, why don't I have any money? I know the money and you have my question. And I know me go no the other. Oh, no, Matthew. I see a level. Hello, me why? Come on, no, you know the away. And I'm you. Go to Mama, no. Go to no Papa. How can you know the away? President, Abalawe governor, also chairman for citizen. Everyone has company and with passport. And all you say, I remember.
Yes. Yeah, God bless you. God bless you. God bless you. God bless you. It's a beautiful day from Dallas, Texas, United States. Like I promised that I was going to be back. I told you I was going to be back. And I'm back. You know what I'm saying? I want to thank my God. And I want to thank the Miraculous Red Bible. My Savior. You know? This is it. This is the Miraculous Red Bible. And I want to thank those that always come out every day and help share the word of freedom. It is really, really hard to find an anti-corruption movement that carry a lot of power the way PFM have done. Everyone want to go to where you drink and where you're going to have party and where people are going to come and have women. People's Freedom Movement is zero tolerant on corruption. You know? So, as you understand, a couple of hours ago, I came out. I came out because I want people to know what is actually happening in Benin. While I was online, like people said, the fear of mega comrade is the beginning of wisdom. The fear of Iranomigo social media
The fear of mega comrade owner. The fear of mega comrade expose is the beginning of wisdom. However, I want Facebook supporters, followers to understand that it is really disappointing to see that you people are not doing what you're supposed to do. I have a YouTube channel right there. When I put it right there, you just come, you watch, you don't share. Everybody want to get what they did not labor for. You cannot tag your friends. You cannot invite your friends. But you will just come and watch, and watch, and watch, and watch. That's it. So, Mega Comrade, I want to quickly make an example for you. You can see right here on my Facebook account, People's Freedom Movement. If you look at it right there, you will see 8 share on the YouTube channel. I'm talking to those that are on Facebook. You can see right now. That 8 share is my account. That is the 8 page I have on Facebook. So, why do I say that? I want to place, there's no red head here. This is not a nuisance platform. This is not a platform where you can come and be. You don't know how to write. You don't know how to read. You don't know how to comment. All you know how to do, you just come here. And I'm going to humiliate you. You are a dirty man, dirty pig. Even on my year way, then you will just come look at who done a packet and young power no. Or wait, don't tarry. Wait, let's see. You know when you don't tarry now, you know, you can see. You see the problem. Governor Redwa Pierre, you know, me a mosquito. Governor Redwa Pierre, even though Mukia boy, the man don't even make a friend. I don't even know who make a friend, even on my joy. And yeah, who we are banner. Don't tell you work banner or me one more. You know, some people will come here, they want to try their power. Unfortunately, they are going to fail. Area, anywhere that they go. Mega Comrade believe in fact. And when you are honest to yourself and to your loved one, you will always have a peace of mind. Every day I keep telling people this. A lot of people don't believe me. But however, I continue to tell them. Well, while I was online a few hours ago, according to them, they said immediately I came online, terrorists about Emite Etinomio Ya. He came out to represent Governor Godwin Obaseki. In Congo, and someone sent me the video. My son, I don't want you to do that again. Don't send me any of his video again. I don't want you to send it at all. It might only video. Because once you send it, I will be thinking there's something important. The time I used to watch that video was completely wasted time. Nothing there. He went out to go and spread coronavirus. A coronavirus in Yaga. You can see the innocent people. Two people were together right there. Yeah. I will show you the picture. He went to go and spread coronavirus that he collected from Governor Godwin Obaseki. Once you are tested positive or negative, once you are tested positive, they will put you in an isolation room or self-isolation house, whatever you want to call it, whereby they will be treating you. That is what they'll be doing to Governor Godwin Obaseki. After 14 days, they will release you. If you test negative, then you are free to go. So this animal came out, shameless boy, who will soon go to Congo. 8 years or 12 years, or work baby Congo. More, if not 16 years. Your man, ye Congo. Congo or every book by it's going to Congo. A book by who done a Congo, a Congo. This pastor really caught my attention. I don't know him. If you know him, I want you to let me know, and I'm going to play the video again. This is the video of the pastor.
We are seeing the word has entered the church.
I want you to listen and watch this video. If you know this pastor, this is a church people should be going. I don't know him. I want to give credit to who sent it to me, and may God bless you. Comrade Tony Kabaka, God bless you. These are some of the things that I really like to see. So I get off online, I saw it, I said, wow, let me look at it. I look at it, I posted it online. I want the whole world to listen, and I shared this video.
The church has gone back to the word. What am I saying? You are banking in First Bank. First Bank carry billions. Go give federal government. UBA carry billions. Go give federal government. Georgia Bank carry billions. Go give federal government. And we that are banking with you people, hey, you could not give us 5,000. You are giving it to government. Where are all the money that they took from Abacha? Where are all the money that crime was recovered? Where are all the money that EFCC recovered? Behave. And tomorrow you will tell me to come and put my money in your stupid bank. May God punish you and your children. Yes, any Nigeria that will go and give federal government money, go and collect it. Go and collect it. We not send you. Now you're good, now go kill you. If you, I go on my knee to pray. If you carry money, go give government. May they help people for Nigeria. That your good night go kill you. That your company go close. You have a tie up and say, "This is my get way back."
Akataka. This is mega comrade in pastor. Ebona his aloboa. We be a say a pastor young year. Oh, what I give book me or where get ye. Bigo yale ubege. Oh, Leo America or Baravirile. See ya. Yeah, baby. Then they play. Hey, Ralobigo don't try. It walk over me. It can't be whether we're both here. I'm a pastor. Yeah. I imitated Ralobigo. Hey, Jimmy. Came on always say, oh, when I see a beer. Echo. Ralobigo. Akataka. See, this is another mega pastor, mega covering. This one I amigo in pastor. I want you people to send me his number. I don't get credit when I want to call her. But I hear my card finish a while ago. I don't see it now. Do I go leave audio for PFF this thing? Now only me. I just did one things, but only me. I check. I say make I go low down. I see what it is. I say, maybe 100 euro they are load on a babana. Right now, I would have called somebody now. I cannot call. You know, people will come out. They will say, "I'm a PFM member." You're gonna come. I'm a PFM member. Why are you? What are you doing for PFM? That is the question. What are you doing for PFM? Tomorrow now, somebody will call another show. I was once a PFM member. I was doing nah. Common 10 euro monthly due. So not if you pay for 1 year, 2 years. I mean, I'm happy that time when I even called. He said, you don't have sufficient credit to call. So about where see now I'm making that work by mouth. Offering, I know they ask. I know they ask for offering. Come on, 10 euro in it. Even I don't get cash. I don't get credit. The least I spend a month in calling people is 300 euro. The least 300 plus. See, only one night, less than 24 hours, $100 don't go. It don't go. See, I'm going to call. I want to call somebody now. Watch. Let's see. I want everyone to listen. Let's try this number. Wait, we are connected with speaker. We're making out. So people call your show tomorrow and say they were once a PFM member. They do that. Now so then Allah they lie. Oh yata. Now lie. Wait, make a corner. Yeah. You got to I want to.
You have insufficient credit. Please top up.
Sure. My network now direct automatic recharge. Once the 100 euro finish, you go just recharge them. As you enter in bank say, nah lie, you don't first collect 100 euro yesterday. Maybe their bank, you don't enter negative. So they don't feel recharge them. Man, that I'm again. No people call it life for other people.
You have insufficient credit.
That's what we do for Iranomi. Nah lie, okay, he may water where not more where no. Wait, make I call him again. Nigeria now. Hey you.
You have insufficient credit. Please top up.
You go on, I top up. You see, the whole world cannot see it. He say people they pay Ranomigo 52 euro monthly due a month. Where? For where? Where is the money? For you people to know how people they take lie on someone. Vile akboya wa muwoge ya wa mubawa. Igo na wa mae ya we oriyo. So you cannot say, let me read this comment before we go anywhere. They want you to stay at home so that I can install 5G. If I job boy, I tell one way I tell 5G. You see? Remove this person that is writing all this rubbish. We are work banner. Yeah. I'm way time out. I tell one way I tell 5G. You know? So my people, you can see what let's die. PFL line. Let's call Nigeria. People Freedom Movement. Anybody call you say be PFM. Now this line, I got call it. I got call it line. PFN line want to call.
You have insufficient credit.
Insufficient credit. Please top up. Now the era. Wow. Insufficient credit. Oh, show free people. Insufficient credit. All these people that go on social media and be lying, they be calling, I was once a this, I was once a that. I was okay. 10 euro monthly due, they don't feel pay. It's so automatic one or back automatic. For many since I get back from Europe. I know what then and people want to just stand by. Once it right, they will just they begin call me. You get 1-2 people. Anytime when things just good, they see for that, they'll begin to call me. Once things go just go bad, you don't go hear from them. And anytime when they call, things go bad. So I begin to know their number now. Yeah, what you why you tie me ma mu who down. Yeah, you tie with be. Why you down. Okay, you tie with be. Yeah, you tie. I mean one you one okay. When anytime react if we go bad, you not learning from you. not call again. If you see say you dey call and no answer, you know say na bad luck. Now you dey carry, they follow me. So once I don't mark your number, say anytime when you call, every time, not be one time, not be two times, not be three times. There are some people that use demonic call to trace your sources. They use demonic phone to trace you. Once things are going good, they will call you. Immediately you answer. Everything go Georgia brother. These are people that will not help you. They will not support you. But they want to use you. You know? So if you know you have been calling an amigo, and an amigo is not answering your phone, you know that you are a bad luck. All in the here. Any team, not call me loud. He may give me where any team. Not call me. So that is it. Let's try one more time. Up, PFM member.
You have insufficient credit.
Bye.
Please top up.
Please top up. People will call it they support you. How you think they support me? For 1 year now, I'm about telephone card and I'll let me just times $300 times 1 year alone. Just times that one alone. That one alone. So that aside. Okay, so we cannot call who we want to call. Unfortunately, I don't know. Let's this pastor, I want to know him. How many of you know this pastor in Nigeria? We are going to have fun today's show. We're going to have a lot of fun. How many of you know this pastor? Unanoa? YouTube, share this video. Facebook, share. How many of you know this pastor?
Seen in the church today. We are seeing the word has entered the church. The church has gone back to the word. What am I saying? You are banking in First Bank. First Bank carried billions. Go give federal government. UBA carried billions. Go give federal government. Georgia Bank carried billions. Go give federal government. And we that are banking with you people. You could not give us 5,000. You are giving it to government. Where are all the money that they took from Abacha? Where are all the money that crime was recovered? Where are all the money that EFCC recovered? Behave. And tomorrow you will tell me to come and put my money in your stupid bank. May God punish you and your GM. Yes, any Nigeria that will go and give federal government money, go and collect it. Go and collect it. We not send you. Now you're good, now go kill you. I go on my knee to pray. If you carry money, go give government. May they help people for Nigeria. That your good night go kill you. That your company go close. You are batay up and say, "This is my get way back."
You hear her? Who will say Mega Comrade have not tried? Who are we no chasing me or see me you agree? You see that? Who know this pastor? Anybody that know this pastor, where is on what time we ready? Is a like me. All like a berry. Una when you give government money, make una go collect her back. Mona they donate her. Mona they donate her. Una see waiting Pastor Sagi say yamu they do for Edo State. Now money they do one. Where are the Edo State millionaires, billionaires? Why would I not support this Pastor Sage is a COVID-19 pandemic food bank. Why? Why have you people? You know what? I did not bring the information. You know why? I feel that people that want to help him, that want to help the people of Edo State, you know how to reach Pastor. If you don't, send me a message. Not be your thing. You want, send me a message and tell me you want to reach the coordinator of Pastor Sage Izeyamo coronavirus pandemic COVID-19 food bank coordinator. Then I will just call her. Then I will give you her number. If I decide to put her number in public domain, you know how some people behave. They will be calling her. They will be calling her while she's sleeping. They will be calling her while, even some of them, they will start calling her. They will say, you need a girlfriend. Do you know some people, their head is already malfunctioning. So that is why I did not release her phone number. If she decided to release the phone number, if she tell me, put it on social media, I will do that. But for now, if you know you want to help COVID-19 food bank, Pastor Sage Izeyamo COVID-19 food bank that is sharing food everywhere. Me, I was shocked. Before I even start the show, I would have loved to call. I saw on Facebook a while ago. You know, when you are somebody's friend, whatever that person is doing, immediately post something, it will just come to your page. Let me see. As I was just about to enter online, I saw one video. It just showed from Kola Edokpayi. Kola Edokpayi, if you are watching, call me. Call me on WhatsApp. I can only call on WhatsApp right now. Call me on WhatsApp. Kola Edokpayi, call me on WhatsApp. I saw the video Kola Edokpayi did. For almost a week now, Kola Edokpayi have been sharing food. That is helping Pastor Sage Izeyamo. I wonder how this is too much for one person. Kola Edokpayi, look at him. Look at him. These are Pastor Sage Izeyamo. You see what he's been doing. Let me tell you, I said one word the other day. I said Kola Edokpayi is one of the only people that I fought for that have not come to social media and insult me one day. One day, and that repetition is already with him. You know what I mean? Because he have what they call dignity, integrity. Let me play the video.
Orchestrated by the government. You cannot, in fact, give directive for people.
Hold on.
To sit at home, the rebellion of the stomach, otherwise known as virus, on COVID-20, that is more deadly than the coronavirus, that have humbled our politicians, that have sequestered our politicians to their Saturn. That's on Sage Izeyamo brought, in fact, gave us some food stuff to distribute to the needy, to the poorest of the poor, to the flotsam and dead sands, to the fishers of water.
You can see this. It's every day. People they are going to Pastor Sage Izeyamo food bank. Hear me. Hear me. People, when they say they do the help person, now food they go cook, they go take one rice, they'll put small meat, put on. They know the cow we quiver a pastor, Sage Izeyamo. Oh, we quiver a carton, ekpemiwu, a tomatoes. Go and cook. May hunger not kill you and your children. I never seen this country before. Me, Ranomigo, baby, me day. I never seen him. One man. When Igbenedion kitchen. you go cook, you go there, go eat. Every charity one with they see, they go cook, you go there, go eat. They go take one spoon. If they don't like your they go take spoon, they push a big meat. You could the big one, they go take spoon. Well, you could swai, my wife. They go take spoon, they will take push and go one side. They'll come find. If they see say the meat too big, they go nake, bo, wait. The Yakma make me. Make a show now. The Yakma make me. Lawo, the Yakma make me. But I never see where person go job carry hit me. But see ya na kola dokpa yi. Owa fun ebutu. Ge see ya.
Orchestrated.
What's it? Hey, what you kuye? Hey, what you Yakma? Sooner hena. Here you wanna wear at the sherana. Wait. Offia, oh, when you walk here. When madam put the shoe now, wait now. What in the hot? I made an hour in an pure and hot water. Wait, Offia, you don't call the meat. The person don't call the meat. He don't call and go see push up. Or you or Savina. Or you boy. Or you more hair. Now free food. What are you going to say? Now free food. Now if you were, madam, this soup in orange, then they drink, huh? Then they drink, huh? He went out what? Often. Now wait till I take my eyes. But for pastors, again say yamu. You know they do like this. Fear, cutter. He go just carry a whole food. He go give you, carry, go home. Make you and your children. Make una go cook. As una want to eat and make una eat. This one not be saying I know me what they talk. Well, I can call not hear me. When they call hear me. What see now today, if you go see
Orchestrated by the government. You cannot
a government in us so
give that
what would you
to the flood psalm and dead psalms, to the fetchers of water and the users of food of Nigeria economy that are victims of the sit-at-home policy.
correct? Sit-at-home policy with no food. Sit-at-home politics with no food. Okay, let's go to the now government cousin. See the woman where color go get food now. Okay, easy one here. Okay, okay, what is here? Ushia, what beggar on iron amigo. This one not be an amigo. Now see what the pastor they do. Una see the good work when Pastor Sage Ize Yamu they do. Professor Ize Yamu. Now see what they do. Eh? What be? Eh? Eye kuye yakma me wori eke. Pastor Sage Ize Yamu. Omunwenu ya lewo wawe. Ogbe pise. Ogbe habak. Ofia owe wa gaga gere la wo pastor ekeleti we say we so e de yo saru dina de yo sala wo we mo mi wo ekeleti we say wa we so e ologo ma na ye na e wo se o ma ye chana o ma ye shenga o ma yo ba se ki o ye chana o ma yo o ma mure e wo se we ekeleti we say ya ke so anari ya we. Why even on ma a year we do nibu? Even on man or wauna nanya, one beg a video man I was showing, even on money, a one, a saga, a vieto, a yaga. Problem, ya want to banner away, go! What before you know it, over 3,000, 4,000. Ivieto, ime baya. Igbaya se party no riakun. Ekeleti we wa se. Wa awona pa we wa to. Uyane. Amami obaseki. let's get straight to the show. One more phone here. A loud iron dot ye. A caller or a message in a team WhatsApp. Team WhatsApp. Me a phone. Vini Yamana Rigore na ya recharge. Me a credit every lao or to a book, but a big woman. Mavi Paul Digge. A brother Fred. Osato teme oni wo ya kilobere be yaso na we ni Italy 1 year igba na bere we gbe won o be ya ne if ready no more we are e be $50 mo we there ma be say no go no na ipa digi one man work all man get pay, one man work all man get pay. Aya prosper aya temu yeah what you for TV pa I go do the okay no na voice me. A fail, Odigie, a fail. Osato, a fail. Japanese, a fail. Up mama H, a fail. I miss Sweeney now. But I gave my Sweeney way. Don't know I'm not sure. Oh no, nothing. I mean what time? Oh, Benamutasi. A corny only calling on your master TT. You must it because terrorists about Toba van Yana making where Ria Ana Kobe Mameogata, Imanoya Tama, here with him with book Biania, but Imani Tia, but no way be video now. A go barrow no near Yariabo. Obama Ogi. Then it ya take colana, Imame Kadi at ye. E. Awa. Mochia, it. On don't you know, team every no better. When I get $2 now a minute in a here, we are not team every no bitterly. We have a day on a hina. Okay, I'm away now. Hello, Mama the Mama.
Hello, Omega.
Agui, my good what ye in a way. Always tear we not be telling that the baby yere. Go. A laughing ye, a laughing why ye.
The Mega voice of Edo State.
Iwe a last week a year, and we are that Baba she get bottle of cassava. When we speak, one more clear your. Bottle of cassava or Russia, or it down here.
It would charge Magoya, who charge this evening. More, my wedding with Poco. Yabi go your way. Yeah, when you go have a YouTube, whom ye immediately.
Oh, YouTube, we have Agba ati e wa oh na ye na ti a liga una you boba ya fu guy Agbega YouTube we wa gbagbo ya wa bobo la wo yeah lori ayi Where's Mama E? Lare na je na e bo to ele mudia Mama E. O busy ah? You were too busy.
Oh, I'm okay.
We mamie se nu pastor sagi se yang wa ulele do.
Ovia na so when my ni na ya fukuto na.
Pastor we mamie se no wa ulele. Wa gbara kola ga. Mweti nya no mo oga.
The truth is that right from time, it's only when you are close to him, whether you are close to him or maybe in a public event, you know, where bros, Lahore, he's always welcoming. He's always welcoming. When they rise,
me ba ngeri ojo e pe ni erere sikoe. O ge pe ni mege sikoe. Ima ngeri oje yeye.
Very kind-hearted. Very kind-hearted.
Do Riamani be.
But so said, we are we are here. What the one was outside when I was here to go there. The mama, we are provided you know one. That's the way of life.
Yawaga way. I may very kwa we. Yawaga igbe ha. We do wanahina. Oh, we do wanahina. former SAG Osarajoge anything for mu eriawo okay ya do na tolo making yaga
coronavirus eya gwale kodogo yaro gba
edogo yaro awe undana re tinomi oya tinomo emelu oya pe oya giagian ogbaba
ya gwale dogo yaro
uwese wagwe aleru na o inowe ne oga sona ya wana labedi ni akebe anawe o me wa no me na so ene kiri ogiri eri eruni iwa neruni wafune midnight prayer for Pastor Sageze Yamu. After the prayer iwa pray fune irima o han wa ya lawa
thanks to everyone
uwese mama ish off egbe aye were koyo o ma baba egbe ko na me ori me receive call ave yano sioma digin yano sioma yeke e pa get problem when e pa get problem nobody dey solve am e pa get problem e pa get e pa need help e me ori me here am call no sioma yeke ave se no ma se e potu amami e gero me gi kwala we ko ni se ti tale mo pe na mutasie o ama hey yibi igba ko na me wa gwalo ba me tara igba ko na wa gwalo. Let's go straight to the point. Kola edopa yi o ama ekinu wa gwe Pastor Sage je ya mu dona awan orie ma we uwe wa lunga ne ave social ma ni atia vedo very soon we are like international mega comrade ma at least we la international comrade local comrade already comrade or Edo state comrade. So you know ekinu wa dona wa he na moto wa yira moto ya ga la nya moto mono mabe o wa ya ga la nya na wa ga kola o wa ya ga la nya na wa ya ga si ne pass over page wa ya ga I want you na wa go mo na. Hello mudia mo explicare abini mo yo mudia okay mudia plug mo explicare de mo yo we want to na mo explicare o mo no eni gbe na egbe no ma ko yo dawo ko wese koyo wese ede marriage wese off egbe usabo aye oye were aye oye gbe were gbawo nenu wari agbon usabo o mi wa fun koyo wese koyo wa ma ona ikono my mi na o amate nonsense yabe man yo ma we eni ati yegbe ati kerege atataki mo yan ni ya popo me you see it or what you we mo ye fun ri Brooklyn, New York is in the house. Obey, New York, oh, Guana. Amawe coronavirus, Maggie and Aladdin. Awaken if it go to Tayona away. Or Ama, only a big one banner. Bukuna, what book over ye. Yeah, Name, Mariaka, Maria Lady, a moon, bah. You know, by way, Atalo, or Talo, and what Talo here. Or we do or what talent he tolo when when you more coronavirus give me yena ba we la be we ya get my own way corona e dogo yaro wa ge we money me man you know I one kind wesi osaba oh we yo bonu ira me we ike ba ware ije me na ti my mother call me when I want travel. You say my son, you say don't hide your sickness. Oh, you know you like to eat. If you are sick, tell the people around you so that if they have the cure medication, they can help you cure it. Eya sola de make card in aban. Ina sola de he said gbegwe. Okpe ni ke gbegwe. Ena sola dia. We wa he ni ye wegbe. Mama ish na me wa we ta platform we na India. Abi no de. Ma wa we do anything. You wa we ta. my ladian where I be PFN. How you take the PFN? Okay, that aside. Brothers and sisters, today's date is Monday, April 6, 2020. It's about 3:36 p.m. here in Texas, Chicago time, United States. Our question to Edo State government is, where is Wake and Sleep Governor Godwin Obaseki of Edo State? Governor Godwin Obaseki have been missing since this COVID-19 pandemic exploded. As we all recall, where Governor Godwin Obaseki were busy trying to remove Comrade Adamali Oshomole from power, he lost guard himself. He continued to pile around with COVID-19, coronavirus carrier. Governor Godwin Obaseki, he could not have eye to look at himself. He was busy chasing Comrade Adamali Oshomole. Consequently, Governor Godwin Obaseki publicly by himself announced that he's going to serve isolation quarantine. Up to now, Governor Obaseki is nowhere to be found. The people of Edo State are hungry. They are suffering. They are dying. Governor Godwin Obaseki did not create one job for them. They have no money. They have no food. They have no water. Here is my question. Where is Edo State COVID-19 pandemic food bank? People that watch terrorists Abatoba say, why are you people stupid? Why are you people so foolish that when you get there you cannot ask, where is COVID-19 pandemic, coronavirus food bank? Where is it? Simple question. Where is it? Can you people not even write that one? Where is Edo State Food Bank? If one man, Pastor Osage Ezeyamu, that they use almost 4 years now to destroy, there's no name they have not called him, and Osage Ezeyamu become the savior. There's one audio one lady sent to me many long time ago. He sing that song. I can't remember. If you are watching, my lovely daughter, can you please resend that audio to me? That audio was Boomere o ise iyamume o boomere. Boomere o ise iyamume o boomere. Walk back here setting me do fa o boomere. That music, oh my God, that lady played. I cannot find it. I told her, she said it's in her page, but I cannot find it. Let me look for that audio. Let everybody just be patient. Franca, my daughter, send me that audio. Send that woman. Go pay. Maybe it can't be the not Benny. This election, I'm ready to work day and night for Pastor Osage Ezeyamu. No sleep. Yeah, I want to tell a guy, me what do you know? Me do you know? Look, me. Look, no, me. You are arriba. Yeah, one with Bible me. You are a winner. You are not a loser. You are God. You are what God say you are. Pastor Osage Ezeyamu is a winner. He's not a loser. He's a winner. He have already won. You see what I'm saying? People are not sharing the good work that he's doing. They are not sharing it. They are not sharing it. You that is watching me. You are not sharing the good work Pastor Osage Ezeyamu is doing. You people are the problem. If it is bad news now, you people will be sharing it. Governor Obaseki will come out tomorrow to come and brainwash you. He will just come out and say, I am governor of Edo State, Governor Godwin Obaseki. Pandemic relief have been adjusted, blah, blah, blah. Then you will just go and be sure, yeah. You will come put men. When you put men, you say Americana. Where will I show you? I don't know why I want to work. That is you people work. Unfortunately, I have not received that audio, and I don't have time to be searching for it. So that being said, let's move forward. Where is Governor Godwin Obaseki COVID-19 pandemic food bank? Where is COVID-19 pandemic coronavirus economic stimulus package? There's what we call stimulus package. Whenever there is a crisis or economic hardship, the government of a state, federal, they will release a paycheck. If you have no paycheck, they will send money into your account. If you have no account, they will share it. In the way they come and collect our vote, they will still share the money to all citizens. Where is it? What? Tell me the plan Governor Obaseki have put on ground to help the people of Edo State. Zero. Where is the deputy governor? Where is the chief of staff? Where is the SSG? Where is Osarodion Ogi? Where is deputy governor of Edo State? Where are Obaseki cabinet? Where are they? Where is Osagbavo Yoa? Where is Mutari? Where is Ebosto? These are the people that know how to fight Comrade Adamali Oshomule, that know how they want to kill a Ranomigo. These are the people. Boma. Where are they? Where are the 4+4 Togba militant? Where are they? If you observe, terrorists, Albert Obaze is already distancing himself from 4+4. Before you boy, go just put that cap, boy. Today video in anything that has to do with Obaseki. Obayibokai. Eru, a video no I wrote there. Why you honor once you don't do bad? You they look your shoulder. Now he say make they kill me. Now he say he want a slap. He want make they bleed me. Today now they insult everybody. Today. That's where they look. Watch a video. That is restless man. I will honor. You. That is one. Pastor Osage Izeyamu, coronavirus COVID-19 pandemic food bank request line. Oh, that boy. Mami wari no more. Obaseki. Gemu diake governor Obaseki ye do. Omo tie pastor Osage no Izeyamu. Tie no banori ladia ore peji menera omigoma. Ogide ogimade oga mieri enwe oya kokomo kokame. Always say neboka. Zize yok manwe. Oh, muize no we ya le no hamege gbo mogba me. Pastor Osage Izeyamu. Ibi edo maladia ni akmo mo ni awo Osage Izeyamu resenu. Awawa etadore u boy. E ari ewi ya hero. Ruda awe mi no mai awe mi yogyoma. Awe mi yogyoma. Ake no bone edo balameyi no gbedo edo muhan. Mano wi yobone dona ya agwale we ni ya shekoto. Sagi ya shekoto paso sagi Izeyamu. By the power of this miraculous Bible. Oh salobo ake aye were we or ye were wuta. Oh ye were. Oh salobo ake aye paso sagi Izeyamu re ro we jimene ra migo. O runi wa pena. O ruemata. Iyo boru. But imeyi boru. O re mata ni wa pena. No sọ́rẹ́ wo rẹ̀ gbé mẹ́ ọ̀rẹ́ gbé mẹ́ ọ̀rẹ́ gbé ọmọ ẹ̀ mata ni tara n'ọ̀rẹ́ gbé mẹ́ ayé òkè mata Iye won hama me. O we mata agbo wa wi me. O we no atemata. E na so ata. Iba ku popo vero. Ibi eto. O kaka bo da me no wa. Man no we ati aba proko we si horo ni. We ready we ati aproko we ma proko e. E se ni pastor sage se ya mo. Bo so mana proko e. Ya agbe me video me no proko. Ya e boy amugbo. E boy. Ye obi ni am e boy ya mu ye mu gbo. We ma me we proko ye. E se ni pastor wa ulele otedo ya wa yana. Ote sao. Ote otauchio. Ote edo noto. Edo central. Edo sato ba. O ma we mu bo ma so do ese we si. Oronigbe. Wa go be se wa ni. Awa se ba no really can we drop ni awe ba. Erogi se erigi me hito ani se wa. Me to be me. Me awe gwale 1 or 2. O one arabe no. 2 arabe no. Ni me awe ya we support a relief package na food bank na. De busy send me we TV de. Ama we busy send me we TV de. Me awe we na we gwale go. Ni we PFN. Ni ma we do. I will say pick up we yamo se wa we. Pastor Sake say yamo food bank. Ono we busy ni ma viore o. Wage vio gave yina abu yina ni memuna na. Ugbo yamo. Abu fe gbo ke. Yana wa la tapia social media foundation tapia. Ya wa lao ya wa ya wa mere we ya bai azayi ni wa toni sewa area anywhere degbe go Eranamigo edegbe stand with innocent poor citizen Comrade Adamali Oshomule Pastor Osage Izeyamu and the innocent masses worldwide. I will not compromise my value. That being said, we are going to go and analyze this picture. You can see, give me 1 second. Give me 1 second. Thank you so much. I'm not going to be long on this video. I will go out. I don't want it to be more than 1 hour, 20 minutes. So, you can see this picture right here. This is a notorious terrorist about Obaze. If you not look at me, cap not the head. Nothing Obaze Kidemo. Nasia. 4+4 cap terrorist group in Odeo. If you look very well, you will see 2 people. They are very close. There's no social distancing. He's the one that violates Obaseki rules and regulations. Look at it very closely. Because he's rich, out of his stolen money, he brought 2 people together. No social distancing. Abat Obaze have violated the rules and regulations Governor Obaseki enforced in Edo State. You can see it. We want to see how he will arrest him. Because he violated the rules. I have the video. I caught it. For him to go out and not creating social distancing, he have put Edo people's life in danger during this serious pandemic of COVID-19. Look at him. You can see the 2 people there. Just look at them. That is not social distancing. So I want the whole world to know that. Not only that, he went out without mask. And he exposed his body. We don't know what he has. Virus, or nobody knows. So I don't know how he's going to explain this to the governor. You can see the people there. You can see him right there. You can see the 2 people. These are not social distancing. It's not even up to 2 feet. You see it? So, it's like Obaseki administration is do what I say, not as I do. So we are waiting to hear how he's going to order for the arrest of terrorist Abat Obaze for violating the law, the rules. Look at it, Obaseki rules. This is how they spread COVID-19. You can say it. If I was him, I would have respected the governor. Not only he went there, why is it that this time, stay home? That is when he chose to go and brand his car. Then he brought 2 people in. You can see that. So you can, you can decide for yourself. So he said, this man that eat Oshomole Christmas cow. That is what I heard. I was saying that here, they said that Obaseki give one cow, make it give social media people. Etinomumelu, only him just carry the cow. You panawamu. Omamunia, social media. He don't give them. I believe so. He don't give them. So he carry him. When he can be yarwarwa, if not hung you, it could be when I warware. People know what they do. Abi, not be so. For the past weeks now, there's no ESCO meeting in Edo State. No ESCO meeting. Edo State government is completely paralyzed. Obaseki completely destroyed Edo State government. We are going to wait. We gave him 3 days till Wednesday. If he did not come out and tell us the reason why he was hiding, and continue and tell us how he's going to rescue the innocent promises and the revenue that he said is suspended. I heard that it's only 1 month. How dare you? That revenue collection until coronavirus is over. Today's date is Monday, April 6, 2020. This is what Mega Company said. Not until coronavirus is completely over. If Obaseki dare collect revenue from Edo State, we go narrate her. Mawa nai. So, area was that being said, I'm not going to stay long on this video. I want to thank everyone that are watching. Unfortunately, I would have loved to call some people. I would buy card. I will reload my card when I get off on the phone. So hopefully next tomorrow, except there's emergency, hopefully next tomorrow when I come out, I will have enough card to be calling everywhere. So I love you all. Yane, iwa yane wila waya, wari, wamari wae emeniata itane. Wa akmo wono wese nuwa. Area wase. Area. Anywhere that we go. So I love you all. I wish everyone, I wish everyone is safe living. COVID-19 is real. It's very dangerous. I came out the other day to go and buy food stuff. I already stocked all my house is full with food. I am not going anywhere. I am not coming out. I am not going anywhere. I will do whatever it takes to stay home. So that is what I advise people to do. So joy, God bless you. Do whatever it takes for you to stay home. So we want to thank that pastor. If you know you want to help, you want to support food bank, Pastor Sagi Zeyamu Food Bank. You don't need to even just send people to buy rice, buy gari, buy whatever you want to buy. They will just go and deliver it at Pastor Sagi Zeyamu Food Bank. Myself, by tomorrow on PFN, we are going to be sending people to go to the one or the other, one person to drive and go and buy some bag of gari and others. They will go and drop it there. You know, I'm from the village. From the village, we get gari way. We'll go and drop it there so that we will help, not by coming here and be saying, come out. Anybody that come and say, donate. Uji, make it do and pastor they do. So that is it. Tell me where you are watching from. As we are here, anywhere that we go. Pastor Sagi Zeyamu is our next governor by the power of Almighty God. He has shown that is ready ready to lead. He's a man that all Edo people should be happy. He me wa we go cool. Wa ribai. He me wa ribai ne paso sageze ya mu wa viola dia. Wa ribai. Wa da send on na. He me. Wamja. Wait, na just show na. He kola do pa wa ribai. Wa ribai. Wa mona seafood. Una seafood. Una seafood. Go see pastor there. Una see am for inside there. Boku na see pastor sageze ya mu. Mona see am. Mona see am. Una seafood. Kai. Una seafood. Una seafood. Kai. He said, Yamu. Hey, give me. You know what? I'll do video for them tomorrow. I will be online tomorrow. I will be online tomorrow. Tomorrow I will come online. 30 minutes will just be for this food project. That is what I'm going to do tomorrow. So I love you all. May the Lord Almighty bless everyone.
Seen in the church today, we are seeing the word has entered the church. The church has gone back to the word. What am I saying? You are banking in First Bank. First Bank carried billions.
God bless you.
Go give federal government. UBA carried billions. Go give federal government. Georgia Bank carried billions. Go give federal government. And we that are banking with you people, hey, you could not give us 5,000. You are giving it to government. Where are all the money that they took from Abacha? Where are all the money that crime was recovered? Where are all the money that EFCC recovered? Behave. And tomorrow you will tell me to come and put my money in your stupid bag. May God punish you and your children. Yes,
sir. If you are watching right now and you like our video, you are on YouTube, just do the thumbs up, you know. So it is better, you know, you let them know if you like it or not. If you don't like it, you do thumbs down. So whatever you want to do is your choice. If you like our video, do thumbs up. If you don't like it, that is it. I see people watching from Italy. Let us see how this pastor going to lay curse on these people.
Any Nigeria that will go and give federal government money, go and collect it. Go and collect it. We not send you. Now you're good, now go kill you. I go on my knee to pray. If you carry money, go give government. Now they take people for Nigeria. Now you're good, now go kill you. Now your company go close. You have a tie up and say, you might get way back. What are them with Betty?
Wow, Unayera. We are going to be on YouTube right now, Facebook. Bye-bye. God bless you, Facebook. YouTube, stand by. We are going to stay in YouTube. I want to chat with my YouTube people. These are the people that support me all the time, you know. Let me chat with YouTube people. God bless you, Facebook. You know, give me 1 second. YouTube, stand by. YouTube, we still have about 10 minutes with YouTube. If you want to join us, you can come and meet us in YouTube. That is all you can do for now. So God bless you. Let me quickly do this. Wow, these things is it's not really easy. Let me see who is there. I think it's from Italy. God bless you, from Italy on Facebook. Thank you so much, Italy, Genova. God bless you. If you are in Italy, don't come out. You know, it's really hard right now. Don't come out, cause nobody's gonna care. But oh, hold on. That reminds me. There's this thing that I saw. I saw it. Let me quickly bring it out. I do not want you all to believe in this. If anybody tell you that Nigeria government, they said they want to deport people home, they want to bring you home, please don't send your information to nobody. I will talk about it tomorrow. So we are going to talk about it tomorrow. So I believe tomorrow will be better. Do not send your information to nobody. Tomorrow we will talk about it. Okay? So that being said, let me quickly, give a shout out to those that are on YouTube and Facebook in a few minutes. Oh, Mega Comrie, it's not easy. I have to manage how many phones, God bless you. Give me 1 second, brothers and sisters. I'll be trying to connect this. Let's see if it's going to connect. Okay, finally, he did it. Good night, Facebook. God bless you. The living God is with you. Thank you, Facebook. Good night, Facebook.